Check 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me? Okay. All right. Serious now. Okay. Hello, I'm Richard Carling and I work as a manual handling advisor within social services at Wrexham. So previously I worked for Tesco's for 18 years and worked my way up there to become assistant manager, and then left there and went into domiciliary care work, worked as a carer for 12 months. Then got promoted to a care experience partner, which was basically somebody who went out to do assessments on care packages and to review care packages and to do observations on other carers. I also delivered training to new carers and refresher training as well. And quite recently I've moved to the council and is now working as manual handling advisor. So I woke up one morning and just thought I didn't want to work in retail anymore. I'd been doing it for quite a long time. I'd got to the position I'd wanted to get to and couldn't see any further progress. So it literally was a case of waking up one morning and thinking, what else could I adapt to? What do I want to do? And that's what got me into the care industry. My wife works for social care as well. She also recommended that I'd make a good carer. So I went straight into care. So in my current role, a normal day for me basically looks like going out, doing a couple of assessments with people in the community, assessing their needs for manual handling and equipment to help them to live their normal day-to-day routine. Also we'll spend time in the office, obviously completing necessary paperwork and planning my next few weeks ahead. The thing I enjoy the most about the role that I do is actually going out and helping people to live their day-to-day life. Sometimes something very small and little is quite a big thing. It makes a massive difference to some of the people I go out to see. So it's making that difference, no matter how big or small it is.